If you're a new puppy parent, you might be struggling with some of the common behavioral issues like biting and constant barking. So in this video, we'll go through 7 common behavioral problems in puppies and learn how to deal with them. Starting with number 1, biting and nipping. It's normal for young puppies to bite. They don't know how to interact with humans. However, biting habits can continue to adulthood if you fail to teach them the correct way of interacting when they're young. Soft play biting's fine, but if it causes any type of pain, then you have to do something about it. To fix this problem, redirect your dog's behavior to a toy whenever they start biting. Apart from that, you must also teach them bite inhibition techniques. To do that, make a low-pitched, loud noise whenever your puppy bites your hand and then ignore them for some time. This will help them understand that biting hurts and it will end all the fun for him. Number 2, unwanted chewing. Puppies have a natural urge to chew, and if not provided with appropriate chew toys, they may chew on inappropriate objects like shoes or furniture. The best way to stop unwanted chewing is to confine your dog to his chew toys only. Do not give him a chance to chew anything else. Do not allow him to roam freely in your house until he learns the correct behavior. Instead, keep him on a dog-proofed room or in his crate with his chew toys. Number 3, excessive barking. This is for owners who have a breed that is more vocal in nature, like a beagle or a chihuahua. Your puppy may bark excessively out of excitement, anxiety, or boredom, which can be disturbing to the household and lead to conflicts with neighbors. To address this problem, identify its cause and address it directly. You can use positive reinforcement to encourage quiet behavior and teach the puppy the quiet command, and overall improve them with enough mental and physical stimulation. Problem number 4, house soiling. Puppies may have accidents in the house due to incomplete house training or lack of access to appropriate potty areas. To solve this problem, you must keep them on a regular feeding and potty routine and supervise them closely to prevent accidents. And always use positive reinforcement to reward appropriate potty behavior, and don't forget to clean up any accidents immediately to prevent future accidents in the same area. Problem number 5, leash pulling. Dogs, especially when they're puppies, are super excited to go outside and explore around. So it's just obvious for them to pull on the leash to explore things by themselves. However, this can put them and others in danger. Allowing your dog to pull will motivate them more. Whenever they pull on the leash, stop right there. They need to understand that pulling will not get them what he wants. Once they stop pulling, come back to you, give them a treat, and continue walking. Soon, they will understand that pulling gets them nowhere and stop doing it. Problem number 6, jumping on people. Puppies may jump on people out of excitement or to get attention, which can be dangerous, especially for small children or elderly individuals. To solve this problem, you must teach your pup basic obedience commands like sit or down, and reinforce positive behavior with treats or praise. You must also redirect their attention to an appropriate activity when they jump, like playing fetch or practicing tricks. Problem number 7, separation anxiety. Puppies may experience separation anxiety when left alone, leading to destructive behavior, excessive barking, and even self-injury. To solve this problem, you must gradually acclimate your puppy to being alone by leaving for short periods and gradually increasing the time away. You can also use a Kong toy filled with dog food before you leave the house to keep them busy. Every behavior problem of your dog is fixable. All you need is some patience and consistency. However, if you're unable to solve any of these issues, there's no shame in asking for help from a professional dog trainer. If you enjoyed the video, do drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Hasta la vista.